Hello. Our hotel opened 3 years ago and we have only 15 reviews on TripAdvisor and not many more on Google. Are we doing something wrong?
Hi there, and congratulations on your opening. So, you have a total of 15 reviews in the review bank. You're right to be concerned. That's not that many reviews. It's less than one review being earned per month. So, I do encourage you and your team to really think about what can we do to drive more guest feedback. Now, there's certainly tools out there and reminders that you can put in front of your guests, such as QR codes or text messaging applications. But what really drives conversion, what really gets a guest to write a review, is when that guest feels connected to a member of our team. At the Reputation Lab, we're big believers that guests don't leave reviews for the building, for the business. More often than not, they leave the review for a person, a team member who really impacted their stay, left a lasting impression. So we encourage you to ensure your team is getting out there and really engaging with guests, making a guest feel special, and encouraging those guests to certainly leave reviews. We hope this information is helpful, and we wish you endless 5-star reviews.